Of course, the hair is going to be sectioned off in fours. I kind of already did my middle part a little bit. And then I'm going to start in the back, but I'm going to put this up as much as I can. Yup. And now you're gonna see a little bit of how I do it in the back. I'm gonna speed the video up though as I'm doing it in the back. And then I'm going to slow down a bit so you can see the definition for the front. Okay, now once I section off in fours, then I'm gonna take this one in half and move this out of the way. If you can see, just have this down here and section it off. Now I already know that I'm not going to be able to do 8, so I'm going to have to use way more Flexi rods than I thought. Maybe in the front I can do less because I'm trying to be able to sleep. Now I'm gonna slow down a little bit for this one, so this one can be more in real time. I did the entire head a little bit faster because I wanted to not make the video so long. However, this one I want to slow it down and kind of talk my way through it. So I do know that you have to develop a rhythm. Of course, we're gonna do a part here, another section. I'm gonna do one here because that's enough for about one, and I'm going to do 2 here at the top. All right, I'm gonna pull this away, clamp this. I'm gonna use the gel first, saturate that really well, and then I'm gonna follow up with the mousse. All right, get a little closer, and then I'm gonna follow up with the Denman brush. Get this out the way. And I'll follow up with the Denman brush to brush it out, straighten it up as much as possible. Then I'm going to take the roller, which I do not have at the top. All right. I might use my rectangle comb. Nope. All right, I'm gonna follow up with the Denman, straighten that out. And then I'm gonna take the roller and twist the hair all around, twisting as I go, around and down, twisting, 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 and then take a little bit of mousse to seal this in the direction of the twist. Tighten it up just a little bit more, tighten it, and then curl it down, pull it down, and pull this one up. All right, now that's one there. Last one. Yes. Now, after I do this last one, I'm going to allow this to air dry throughout the night. Sleep on it. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to take it down. I guess I need my Denman brush. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to take it down and allow the curls to do their work. Slide it all the way down. Okay, twist and curl and twist and curl and twist. Lock the ends with the mousse and clamp and clamp. All right, I wonder how long it's gonna take to dry. Probably 13 hours. All right, but we'll see. Good morning. This is actually 2 days from when I last did this. I actually went to take this down on yesterday, and on yesterday it wasn't dry. And I noticed this because I had my bonnet in. All right, I'm gonna just take the rest of them out. And it looks like this one still feels a little damp right here. Okay. Okay, just pulling this through. And I'm just gonna take these down swiftly. This is the finished product. What I did was I put some little gel here to make it kind of give me a little bit of style since I have the part in the middle. And I just pull the curls and turn it the opposite way so I can get a little curl there in the front. And yeah, oh my God, I like them. They're so curly and fluffy.